dyan. Mga mag-gym.
Fitness hero. I think I like.
Sunday pala ngayon, guys. Tapos bigla lang kami nagsipag-G eh. Yan, grabe. Tsaka, meron na akong guys. Because I really like this little light.
Yes.
Hi guys, I just got a haircut. What do you think of my hair?
Very, very nice.
This Feb 18 and birthday ni Hobie, Vernon, tsaka ni DK. So lalabas kami para mag-celebrate ng birthday. Joke lang. Late Valentine's date because Valentine's was a weekday. Anong plan natin today, babe?
Picnic. Samgyup.
Ayan, anong plan namin is mag-picnic, mag-samgyup, and maghanap ng flowers.
Ako rin, bibili ko.
Bibili kita. Wala nga akong gift sa'yo eh. What do you want?
Pante ba?
Oo, boys need gifts too. Last year, naalala mo yung gift ko sa'yo.
Maalala, dami mo gift sa akin eh.
I gifted you the big paper bag. Oo, tapos yung marami.
Ah, okay. Alam ko na.
Dapat sinuspoil din ng boys. Wala lang akong maisip ngayon. Nasa kanya na kasi lahat. Nasa kanya na ako eh. Char.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can I fall in love? Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet
Ah, ang init. Good morning. I'm gonna go for a breakfast run. This is not the first time that I've been up this early. Tinatry ko pa rin masanay. Look, and skirt. And coffee and my breakfast. This is what I'm wearing. Super simple. Last week. So, okay na ako sa clearance. Kailangan ko na lang ng BIR and business permit. So, bumalik ako this week. Tapos, wala na sila doon. So, nasa City Hall na lang ulit. Dito ko sa City Hall, wala pala doon yung BIR. So, ngayon dilipat na naman ako. I'm so thankful na sasamahan ako ng tatay ko. Pero kung ako lang to, kung nagko-commute ako, grabe, napakahirap. Kasi ang lalayo. Alam niyo yun, yung lipat-lipat. So, sana may isang pwesto na nandun na lahat, di ba? Wala ka.
Thailand sana to eh. Siguro daw sa Vietnam, parang ang pocket money lang is 10K. No? Or less.
Feeling ko kasi kaya
Sobrang
siguro
mura.
ng mga 1/5 a day.
Oo.
Lahat na lang. Off to the derma. As usual, yun na naman ginagawa ko sa buhay, derma. It's already 2:11 p.m. Hindi pa ako kumakain, so after ko sa derma, I need to eat. Ang dami kong gustong gawin. Gusto ko na ipatanggal yung nails ko. Tapos pa derma. Kakalabas lang ng album ni Ariana. And the album is so good. As usual, She Eat. Nakakatawa yung mga slang ngayon, no? Kasi hindi ko na sila naiintindihan. Bakit yun? Bakit she ate? She ate what?
I've been feeling sorry. I showed you all my demons, all my lies. Let you play me like a toy. Now it's like I'm looking in a mirror. Hope you feel alright when you're in her. It's like supernatural. It's what it says to me.
너무 행복해 눈물도 짓고 온통 네 생각에 가득한 수많은
근데도 길을 갈아 kiss me. 쉽게 아직까지 쉽게 easy. 스테이지 위에 물이 틈에 body. Pull up and I'll repeat, I'll play ballet. Damn, I really make it look easy.
I'm on the way to my nail appointment. I'm finally having this removed and magpagawa ko ng bago. And then, after that, maghahanap ako ng plancha ng hair kasi nasira na yung hair iron ko. Ayun. Eh, hindi na pwedeng hindi planchahin yung roots ko kasi mahaba na sila. And I'm also gonna buy some bed supplies. I'll try to go to church. Tingnan ko kung meron pa akong maabutan na palaspas. Kasi hapon na eh. So I'm done with my nails. Super simple. These are my real nails already. Hindi na ako nagpa-extensions. And I'm so in love. Kasi hindi ganito yung nails ko kapag yung normal lang. Ano siya, payat, maliit. Pero because of the extensions, na-shape yung natural nails ko. So, eto na siya ngayon. I can't believe this is my real nails. And ang ganda rin ng pagkakagawa, ang linis. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Parang gusto ko na siyang gawing maintenance. Gusto ko, forever nang ganito yung nails ko. Next is buy puppy food and puppy milk. I look so bad cause sobrang antok ako. Wala akong tulog. Sobrang init naman. Ano ba to? Guys, may alam ba kayong way kung paano ako magkakaroon ng 100 million? Afternoon. Thank you. Guys, can you tell me why it's so hot?
If daddy.
Pag nag-concert
Pag nag-concert, ano na? Ano na sa tayo? Pag nag-concert Tapos BTS next year. Ano? Pag-aayo pa mo. Bakit mo na ayaw?
Mag-new jeans pa yan.
70 ulit.
Ay, gago.
For planning. Diyan po nila din.
We're planning something.
Kasi dyan sinabi. Alam ko kaya alam nila.
Sobrang init. Pawis na agad ako. Kakaalis ko lang. I'm going to check out a coffee shop near my area. By the way guys, today is April 21. And yesterday something really sad happened. As in, iyak ako ng iyak kahapon. A little backstory, I'm not a cat person. Hindi ako hater ng cats ha. But I grew up scared of cats. Parang yung naging image sa amin ng cats or sa akin is nangangagat sila. Nung bata pa ako, parang lagi sinasabi na mag-ingat ka sa pusa kasi wala kasang rabies ng pusa. Eh, nung bata ako, syempre, hindi ko pa naiintindihan yung mga ganun. Hindi naman inborn ang rabies. Sobrang tagal bago ko na overcome yung fear na yon. We have an outdoor cat. Ano lang siya? Cat distribution system na one day she showed up and decided to live at our home. Ang tagal bago ko nag-warm up sa kanya. I can't remember when we got her. Siguro mga 2020, 2021. Last year yung pinaka-peak talaga na naging open na ako. Nilalambing ko na siya. Si na ako takot. So yesterday, she passed unexpectedly. Nagulat na lang kami na we found her. Sobrang dami kong what if na-save ko siya? What happened? I really wonder what happened kasi it was so sudden. Wala siyang sakit. Just found her there. Lifeless. Story short, she was the first cat that I ever loved. And she's gone now. Last night, I couldn't sleep because I was thinking na kapag natulog ako, pagising ko bukas, wala na siya. If you have pets, if outdoor pets sila, please make sure na hydrated sila. Tayo nga sobrang hirap na sa hinat. What more yung mga animals na hindi sila nakakapagsalita, diba? Today is April 27. Nasa Alabang ako cause hindi ko din alam, ang aga pa. 8 AM pa lang. And I'm gonna meet up with Dea later. Natatawa lang ako kasi hindi ako morning person and I'm up. I'm here. Actually, biglaan lang to. Tapos tinanong ko siya kung G siya. So, G naman siya. So, ayun, makikita kami. Already at Malito and I'm just looking for a place where we can stay. Because sarado pa yung iba. But bungalow is open. So, I'm gonna check. Meron pa isang coffee shop dito. So, baka doon na lang. I don't know. Romanticizing my life.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sana yung Saturday morning. Always romanticizing yung Saturday. Our very mundane Saturday morning.
As a passenger princess.
Pag ganito kainit nun sa Pinas. Cast year yun, diba? Parang July.
July.
Oh, kasi may pa tayong hangover nun
Sa Bangkok.
Hanggang ngayon naman eh.
Di na naman.
Never ending Bangkok hangover.
Ano namin, Chicago na.
Yun, Chicago namin, tsaka Cornelia Street. Nag-debrief kami earlier.
Debrief na ano?
Debrief ng ano ko. Love life.
Yeah, love life.
Masaya na ako.
Nasa tamang tao.
Basta may nagpapasaya na sa akin. Hoy!
Kaya sa
Nagdiluluw ako sa init na to eh. Parang mali na to sis.
Mali na yan.
Yay! Favorite, ano ko to eh, favorite hangout with Ina.
Alabang? Or ano?
Rustans. Favorite ko meander through the aisles of Rustans with Ina.
Kaya sa vlog ba ako? I don't think I vlogged much. But we're going home. Iyahatid ako ni Dia. Sa Laguna.
Love language ko magsundo at hatid eh.
Acts of service si Dia.
Acts of service ako.
What about your receiving?
Receiving words of affirmation and acts of service. And gifts. Everything except physical touch.
Oo, list niya yun. List niya yung physical. na! Thanks, babe.
Anytime. My love language is driving for people. I don't know, I love driving. It's probably because I love bus.
Bakit ba?
Suga.
Miss mo na.
Sobra.
Mahal mo.
Mahal ko, girl. Sobra ko mahal. Oh my God, wish ko na siya.
It's the next day and I'm off to have my nails done. It's going to be my third time getting my nails done by Camille. So this is my current set. Regular set lang to, hindi siya extensions or what. It's my real nails. And yun yung nagustuhan ko kasi may nagkaroon ng shape yung nails ko with her. So hi guys, hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin ko sa light kasi sobrang liwanag pa. But I'm done. This is my new set. It's so clean. I love it. Feeling ko nga magiging ganito na talaga yung parang ipapagawa ko forever. Like natural nails ko lang tapos rubber base gel. So clean, right? I love it.